Hi, and today we will be playing Natural Disasters Survival. And today we will be playing, natural disasters. And you just gotta survive the natural disasters in this game. So, let's see. Okay, so these are the survivors. Yeah, okay, so let's get into it. Oh, okay. Let's go over here. Where to go? I'm going to the top of the arc. Wait, don't forget to subscribe to me and leave a like. So, what's the disaster? What could it be? Maybe it's like lightning or acid rain. Maybe one of those. So if it's that, I'm going to that shed over there. Whatever. What is it? I don't know what it is, actually. Well, I guess I'll just go... Flash, sneak, seek... Oh, I was going the right place, basically. So you gotta stay high up. It's a flood, I think it said, yeah. Okay, everybody in the servers here. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. No. You'll never take me alive. I'm in the highest point. Except for the tower there. Yeah, obviously. No. I'll go on top of people. I think that's the highest we can go. Yeah, so we're safe. Yes. No! How? No, we died. That's such a hard thing to survive when it falls. Yeah, I didn't survive. Let's see the next disaster. Wait, what's this machine over here? Okay, can we get out? Oh. Weather machine. This is the weather machine. Power it up to increase the number of disasters that happened on multi-disaster round. Oh, coaster quick stop. That's the map. Where is it? I don't see it anymore. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. You get in. No. I guess I'll go to the lighthouse then. Because like, it's the highest point. Why not? Let's go. Going up. Staircase. Okay. There's fall damage in this game, so you gotta be careful. That's how I died last round. So, yeah. Here's the big light, I guess. Okay, what's the disaster? I don't know if I said that right. How's he already? Oh, fire. Keep distance from the fire. Where is the fire? Start. Maybe in the lighthouse, actually, because it is. Maybe not, but we'll see. Over there. Oh, it's getting that house over there. So yeah, I'm gonna stay away from that house. I would. Where are they all going? Don't tell me the lighthouse is on fire. It may be next, though. Maybe we have to go down. Oh no. No, I think we're good for now. Maybe not for a long time. Oh no, it's getting to the lighthouse. Oh no. Maybe we're not okay in this. We'll have to see, though. We'll have to see. Huh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, now I think I should... Oh god. I'm gonna stay in the middle because it's shaking. Oh no, we're falling. Timber! No way, no. Come on. Why did you have to fling me that far? That's not fair. That's okay. Okay, and yeah, not me. I'm not a survivor. Let's see if I can put it. Maybe it costs Robux. Get out the way, please, survivors. Thank you. Power. Yeah, I knew it. If you want to get a lift, you just gotta put. If you want to like jump higher, you can just get this, and if you want to survive more, you just get the apple. Happy home. Where's the happy home? Oh, okay. I guess I'll just go maybe to the roof. I don't know. Here, we made it. I think this is like the highest point, maybe. What's that noise? Is it a blizzard or a tornado? It must be one of those. Well, I don't know. Everybody's here. Some people are at the playground. I don't know why. That's not really a safe place, if I say so myself. They're already getting hurt. By what, though? Thunderstorm. Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna stay. Roofs are good. No. This is not that high of a place. Oh my god, the noise. That's weird. Stay in the corner. It should be a safe place. Oh god. Oh my god. Maybe not such a safe place. Hopefully we survive at least this round. Because I need to survive. Oh. Ah! No. I'll stay right here. This should be okay. Yeah, right here. That's very loud. Whoa. Okay. Oh my god. Oh god. No. Not in shelter. Oh no. Hug the wall. We need to. Okay. When is it over, actually? It's taking a while. Yay! There. Me. Yay. Okay. We survived one. Let's go. Is this like a leaderboard of this server? Or like global? Top 10 survivors. Survival lists. Oh. Okay. Trailer park. Where is that? Oh, over there. Oh, okay. I'm going up there. Because I want to. I think I just have to climb this. But if the disaster is like acid rain, I don't think I'm safe here. Let me up. Please. Up there. Ooh, what's that? Why is it like glowing? That's not cool. Hopefully we have to stay in like a high place. If it's like the flood again. Hopefully it is, because I came all the way up here for nothing. Maybe it's a tsunami. Earthquake! No! Oh god. Get outside and... Oh, come on! How? I thought it was safe. Oh no, come on. Also, there's not like a barrier here, so you can just like fall. Like this. Demonstration. Yeah, and then it should be fun. Okay. Way to spectate people, so you just like look from here. Whoa. I'm not the greatest at those. So yeah. After this one, it's gonna be the last one. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Where are they? they're good at this game because okay, they're good at this game because they can survive. I can't. I'm not the best at this game. Yeah. Okay, and there that thing falls. Oh, it's over. They won. Good survivors. Yep. Them. Okay. What map is next? I say. Let's see. Come on. Anytime now. Ooh. Prison panic. Ooh, that looks cool. Okay. I think you gotta like jump over it or else you get hurt. I'm going inside. I wanna be a prisoner because why not? Okay. Okay. Oh god, what's that noise? What's in here? Is this like the cafeteria? I think I should go like up a bit. Not all the way up. Oh no, wait, I wanna go over here. I think over here is a safe spot, maybe. In the prison cells. Thunderstorm. Ah! Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's open. This isn't that high. I think I'm good. I think I should stay like right here. And everything should be alright. If not, I'll just run away. Ooh, is that meat or something? Okay, could I go? Yeah, it can be, because here's like a cafeteria. I don't know why he had books. Are those books? I don't know. Okay, he's hurt. Please let me survive this one. Please let me survive. Huh. It's a really bad day today because a lot of disasters are happening. It's the game. I think it should right now. Maybe. I don't think up there's a good idea, so don't go there, people. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I think it should be over by now. This is too much lightning. So much lightning. Ooh, whoa. I thought that was close. Oh, yay! I think everybody survived. Look, me. Okay. Okay, that'll be it for today. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like in this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.